Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to make your website more dynamic and visually engaging, adding a horizontal scrolling image gallery is the perfect way. It's excellent for showcasing a portfolio, featuring products, or presenting any collection of images in an interactive format. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. On the login page, click Login. If you use Google, just hit Continue with Google to sign in quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, select the website you'd like to update. With your site open, go into Edit mode. Now click on Add Section. You'll see a variety of section options. Choose Images. This is where we'll build your new scrolling gallery. Next, select Gallery View to arrange your images. Then click Edit Section to customize the gallery settings. In the Layout options, switch from Grid. Simple to Slideshow, Simple. This instantly transforms your gallery into a clean, horizontal slideshow. From here, you can enhance the experience. Turn on thumbnails so visitors can quickly preview and navigate through images. Enable autoplay to let your slideshow scroll automatically. Adjust the slide duration so it flows at just the right pace. Smooth and engaging without being too fast or too slow. And that's it. You've now created a horizontally scrolling image gallery on your Squarespace website. It's a simple upgrade that makes your site more interactive and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and design tricks.